It's not a trip to cabin country without a campfire. But when you're messing with fire, every pal of Pam's knows there's nothing hotter than being safe. So I've invited my pals to let you in on some fire safety tips. Meet Rag, Scout, Dew, and Bev.
Howdy, Pam.
Hey, Pam.
I'm your biggest fan, Pam.
Well, pals, what do you say we heat things up with some campfire essentials? Numero uno, you're gonna need a fire pit, goofy goob. You'll also need a lighter or some matches.
But nothing that can harm me or the trees. I'm talking gasoline, kerosene, propane, aerosol, none of that mumbo jumbo. Keep it chemical-free in cabin country.
Don't forget the wood, Pam.
You'll need 3 types: tinder, kindling, and firewood.
Look on the ground for things like small twigs, dry leaves, and dry pine needles.
For kindling, look for dry sticks about 1 inch in diameter. These will help build up the fire.
But never cut branches from a tree, dead or alive. You could be evicting me from my house.
Last, the star of this show, firewood, or as I like to call it, nature's gas pedal. Hey, where's my wood?
Uh-oh.
No worries. I always have my backup wood. Now, a good log is about the size of a large man's wrist. Because why?
Beefy logs burn low and slow.
Music to my ears. Hey, here's a Pam pro tip. Always buy your firewood local. Wood from home could bring pests or diseases that make the Ouachita Forest sick.
And if it's windy or there's a burn ban, hang tight, don't light, or I'll cause you quite a fright.
Dude, no!
Shoo-wee!
Oopsies.
Better put this match to good use and light a campfire. Scout, can you help me out?
Sure thing, Pam.
First, place a few loose piles of tinder in the center of your fire pit. Then add your kindling in your favorite structure.
TP campfires burn hot and fast, so they're great for cooking hot dogs, marshmallows, or tin-foil dinners.
That's right! And for longer burning fires, log cabin or crisscross structures will keep you nice and toasty. Once you're set on your structure, ignite that bad boy and blow very gently at the base to help your campfire grow.
Be careful. Those woods are beautiful, but we don't want any stray sparks to go on a hike.
Once you've got a good fire burning, add firewood to keep it burning longer and stronger.
It's also a good idea to keep a bucket of water or a water hose nearby in case of emergency.
Did someone say water?
Oh, hey, big boss! We were just talking about campfire safety. Got any tips on how to safely put one out?
Oh, I've got boatloads. Of course, the preferred way is to let your fire burn down to ash. But if you need to hit the hay, drown that sucker. Pour water all over the embers until the hissing stops. And if you don't have water, use a shovel to bury the fire with dirt or sand. And one last thing, never leave your campfire until the pit is cool enough to touch.
Well, Big Boss, that was informative and aggressive as always. Thanks for stopping by.
Catch you on the fish side, Pam.
And thank you for watching. It wouldn't be a campfire without some s'mores and a little ditty. Ready, everyone? Campfires are fun, campfires are free, but it's on us to protect the trees and me. Let them smart and keep them small. Follow these tips and you'll have a ball. I love my pals, I love my friends, and I love that you joined us again. Bye-bye!
See you later.
Again!